Hello coaches, I hope you're doing well. We have created a short video for you to navigate the Coaches Network. The Coaches Network was created specially for you, the coaches, because it will help you with two things. First, you have a sharing space where you can work in collaboration with the coaches of the rest of the countries. And second, it was specially for you because you will find all the training resources that we have had in Let's Innovate 1 and Let's Innovate 2. For example, you will find the Coaches Kit. In the Coaches Kit, you have access to all the recordings of the sessions of the trainings and all the PowerPoint presentations, as well as the Coaches Guides in order to help you plan and deliver successful trainings for your teachers. I am now going to start sharing my screen. We are in the educational portal of the Americas. And I recommend the first thing you do is to set the English language. And the second thing you do is to log in. If you have an account, you just put your username and your password. If you forgot your password, just go here and you will get a new password. What happens if you don't have an account? You have to create one. So here on the right side of the page, feel free to create an account. Once you create an account, you may request to be part of the communities. So I am going to log in order to go to the Coaches Network. Okay, so the first thing we do, we check for the language and we click on English. And then we go to Networks and Communities and we find Profuturo Digital Education Program. Welcome to your network. This is your home page. And in the home page, you will find in the middle section a forum. The forum works like a Facebook wall where you can make comments, you can upload videos, you can upload images, you can upload documents. This is your sharing space, coaches. This is where you can share all those resources that you think that might be of interest to your colleagues. Just remember to hit on the save button. On the left side, we have the support team. You have Liz Benitez, you can find myself in case you have any questions concerning academic issues, but you also have your local managers, a local manager for each country. For example, if I were a coach from Saint Lucia and I want to contact my local manager, I will click here and I will contact Esther Brathwaite and I can send Esther a message. We're gonna go back to the home page and I would like to invite you to the right side of the home page. You find on the top section a video on Profuturu. If we move down, we find the Coach's Guide. The Coach's Guide will take you to the Coach's Kit just by clicking on this link. It's important for you to know for now where is the Coach's Kit. Don't worry because we are also preparing a short video to navigate with you the Coach's Kit. So we're gonna continue on this page and we're gonna go further down and we find a box with the latest news. Here you will find pictures and you will find different articles from the 5 countries. Remember this page is for the 5 countries. What happens if you are locked out of the community and you haven't had chance to come in? Well, you just go to the recent activity box, which is this one, and you may know what topic was added, who added the topic, and when was the topic added. So now we're gonna go to the left side to the communities of practice. Each country has a community of practice, and each community is private, only for those coaches belonging to that country, because in each community, relevant information for that specific community is uploaded. So we're gonna go into the Bahamas. We're gonna pretend I'm a coach from the Bahamas and I'm going to join my community. I will find on the right side all those resources that members from the support team or coaches have uploaded. If I keep scrolling down, I will find pictures and articles, and also who are the members of the Bahamas communities. In each community, I will also find a forum where I can continue the conversation or I can add a new topic. And as in the home page, I will also find a recent activity box that will tell me what topics were added, who added the topics, and when were they added. So for now, I'm gonna go back to the home page and I am going to continue introducing the different tabs. We are going to go to the tab called About Profuturu. This tab is important when you're making presentations. For example, you will find information about the project, videos on the project, and you will also find a map that tells you where Profuturu is benefiting the rest of the countries. So when you're making presentations for your school principals or for your teachers, it's a good idea to go into this tab. Now we'll go to the library tab. The library tab has different resources. We started creating it a year ago with the COVID-19 situation. So you will find a lot of resources that deal with education and COVID, but they are still relevant. And the idea is for us to continue uploading information for you. And now we're gonna move to the frequently asked questions tab. This tab is under construction. This section is under construction. So we would like to invite you to please send us all those questions that you might have or that your teachers might have. But we're gonna ask you to please write them on the home page, on the forum, on the comment section. And that way we will be creating our frequently asked questions section. And the last tab that I wanna mention is the class resources. This tab is very important too, because in this tab is where you're going to upload the lesson plans that your teachers will create using the Profuturu content. So for now, I am going to stop sharing my screen and to thank you for your time. We hope this video was useful. Please feel free to contact me if you want me to explain something else about your network, your coaches network. Thank you so much. We'll see you soon.